An oral surgeon is trained with skills necessary to fix dental implant problems, as well as place the implants properly. If a dental implant is placed in a poor position or restored poorly, then sometimes it will experience gum loss from bone loss and pain and swelling. This is called peri-implantitis, and we have methods to control peri-implantitis and regenerate bone lost around implants. And in fact, we can even do plastic surgical techniques to restore the gum line around a dental implant. Dental implants are placed by our office by using techniques of virtual surgical planning that allow us to place the implant at the correct angulation, use the correct size of an implant, and the correct length of an implant, all to get the optimum placement of the implant. Because an implant placed correctly will probably last a lifetime. And if anybody ever says that they're not a candidate for a dental implant, should probably talk to us, because there's always a solution to every problem.